In this lesson, I will explain to you combinations, what is combination statistics, what formula we will use to find out the combinations, and the most important thing is how we will calculate combinations with the help of Microsoft Excel. So here is the definition of combinations: a selection of distinct objects without regard to order is called a combination. See, in the combination, there is no need of the specific order. What does it mean? Suppose if we have two events A and B, if I will write down A, B or B, A, in combination both have the same meanings, A, B or B, A, but in permutation order is required, right, which we have discussed in the last lecture, that A, B or B, A, these are two different things, but in the combination A, B and B, A both are same, so you have to write down only one time because no order is required in combination. Order of selection is not important. Here I have written an example. Suppose out of 100 students we have to pick any 10 students to make the student council, so it does not matter who is selected first, second, third and so on. So this is the example, right? This is the combination are used when the order or arrangement is not important, as in the selecting process, right? So here I will show you with the help of example what is combination rule. So combination is the number of combinations of R objects selected from the n objects. Suppose we have n object, n means any number of objects. Suppose you have 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, and you have to pick R. R means you have to pick 3 or 2, what is the required number. So this is the general formula, NCR. N represents total number of objects, R is how many you want, right? So is equal to n factorial. And one important thing, that in combinations we use the factorial, and this is the factorial symbol which you will find out on your keyboard on the top of number 1. There is a number 1 2 3 4, right, above ABC, and then you have to press shift and 1, you will get factorial. Factorial means, it does not mean if I will say 5 factorial, 6 factorial, it does not mean that you will write down only 6 or 5. You have to multiply all the numbers starting from 1 to the number. Suppose if I say 5 factorial, from 1 2 3 4 5, you have to multiply all numbers. If I will say 6 factorial, starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6, including that number, you have to multiply. This is called the factorial. So in the combinations we use the factorial. Question is, how many combinations of 5 objects are there? Taken 3 at a time. Combinations, how many combinations you can make. So this is the formula, n factorial, we have 5 factorial total, 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 3, because 5 total and then r is 3 is the requirement, factorial and then r factorial. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 factorial. 2 means 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. That is why I have written only 2 here. If you want, you can write down 2 factorial. In the next step, then you can write down 2 multiplied by 1. Both are fine. 3 factorial does not mean only 3. It means 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So here I have mentioned 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 5 factorial in the numerator, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? From 1 to 5, including that number, you have to multiply. So when we will simplify it, 3 2 1 in the numerator, 3 2 1, these will cancel out each other. Remaining is 5 4 times 20 and 2, so 2 1 time, 2 10 time, so there are 10 combinations. If you will simplify this, you will get 10 combinations, right? So in combinations, order is not required, right? So same thing I will show you with the help of Excel by using the Microsoft Excel. So see, I have written here the same question, 5 factorial, because there were n objects and 3 is the requirement. If you want, you can write down here, but directly I will show you. Suppose we want to get answer here, go to the formula, insert function, and here on selected category we are learning statistics, so statistical here, right? Then these are all the formulas related to statistics. If it is difficult for you to find out the combination, so here you can write down, this is type a brief description, whatever you want, COMBIN, just write down COMBIN, this is for combination, and go, it will come on the top of the list. So click here. So number, right? We have 5. N is 5 and R, number chosen R. So what should be the answer? 10, because we have already calculated this 10. So see, there are 10 combinations, and here with the help of a formula we have calculated 10 combinations as well. Now suppose if I say instead of this 3 R, we want 4. So how you will get it? 4, right? Again, go to the same formula, insert here. See, because here we just finished combine, so that is why it is on the top. We want this one. So, okay, here we will write down 5 because total objects are 5. This time we are looking for 4, and it should be the 5 should be the answer. See, 5. So there are 5 combinations. So you have learned how to calculate the combinations with the help of Microsoft Excel as well, and with the formula. If still you have any question, write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.